Hello friend, my name is Ali and you are watching Uppal solution. Friend, in this video we will learn how we can set the basic setting which are very necessary when you configure a new router. These settings must be placed on a router to secure it secure from unauthentic access. So what is the topics of the video and what we will learn in this video? The first of all, we will learn how we can set the host name to our router, and the second is how we can set the banner message. So we will show a message to all hackers and anyone who are trying to access our router. They will show a message on login interface. So the third one is secure our line. First of all, we will secure its console and then line VTY 0 to 4 and enables password. Definitely for everybody who want to log in our router must give a password before get authenticate. And the last one, we will telnet from USA to Pakistan. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to start our router. We will click on the green button, so our device will be started. It will take some time to get started. So friend, our router is started. By the way, this is a Pakistani branch router. So first of all, we have to get configure terminal access so we can make configuration. So for this purpose, we have to write configure terminal, config terminal. And now we are inside of the configure terminal. First of all, we have to write the host name. For the command to set the host name of the router is host name, and here you have to write the host name such as that. I can write here Pakistan and click enter. Now the host name is changed to Pakistan. So the next step is we have to secure its line console. So we will write here line console. Which line console? Line console is always 0. So anybody want to connect router with a console cable, they must have write a password. So we are inside the line console. Here we have to write the password. What password? I will give it Cisco. And where we want to place this password, every time when anybody try to log in through console, we place this password on login. So our password is placed on okay. Our next step is we want to show a banner to the anyone who wants to log in our router. For put the banner message, the command is banner MOTD, message of the day. Here you have to write message inside of these two hash signs. Here we have to please don't log in if you are hacker, and press enter. Now our banner message is also set. So the next step is how to secure its line. To secure its line, the command is line VTY 0 to 4 and hit enter. We are inside the line VTY 0 to 4. Here we have to write the password. Password is Cisco, and where we want to place the password at every time someone want to telnet it via port 0 to 4 and press exit. Okay, the next step is how we can set the enable secret password. To command to enable to enter the enable secret password is enable secret, and here we have to write the password. Enable secret password and simple password should be different one. So here we have to write Cisco 123. That's okay. Our password is also say one time we have to exit from here and exit from here as well. Here you can see our banner message, please don't log in if you are a hacker, and now he is asking us to enter the password for get login. The password is Cisco. Cisco is a simple password, not a secure one. So here you can see our router name, and the next step is to configure the same settings on USA router and then telnet it from to Pakistan. So I will place the same settings on a USA router. So friend, if we want to enable telnet, we must assign a IP address to this interface and this interface of Pakistani router and USA router. So to assign the IP address, we have to enter the name of interface to which we want to assign the IP address. Interface fast ethernet 0/0 IP address. We will assign 192.168.10.255.255.255.0 and shut and unshut for one time. No shut. The same IP configurations we have placed on Pakistani interface. So here we have to write configure terminal, go inside of the interface. Interface is interfaced fast ethernet 0/0, hit enter. IP address 192.168.10.1 and shut and no shut. Okay, our interface is now up. We can verify either both interfaces are connected by sending a ping command 192.168.10.1 and 10.2. You can see our both routers are connected successfully. Now we can ping from Pakistan to USA or USA to Pakistan, I mean telnet. So how we can telnet? Okay, so friend, here we are the last part of the video, telnet from a USA router to Pakistani router. So if we want to get login to Pakistani router, so make some configurations here. What we have to do, we have to write the command telnet. Either we know telnet is not very commonly used nowadays, but as a teacher it's my duty to teach you everything. So what you have to write to telnet connection in Pakistani router, you can see here we are inside of the USA router. To telnet we have to write the command 192.168.10.1, which is the IP address of Pakistani router. To check out the what are the IP address of Pakistani router interface, show, we have to write the command show IP interface brief. You can see here the interface of the fast ethernet 1/0/0, which is connected to the USA router or switch, central switch. We have to write this IP address to make telnet connection. As we can enter here, you can see also the banner message of Pakistani router. Here we have to write the password to get access. Password is Cisco, and here we are inside of the Pakistan router. You can see here we can also enable, and here we have to write the enable password, enable, and here we have to write the Cisco 123 enable, which was the enable secret password. Okay, so now we are inside of Pakistani router. We can make any changes, any configurations here if we have a privileged level. So that was the video. I hope you like the video, and it will be very informative to you. If you have any question, please write in the comment section. I will try to answer here. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.